Before we begin, this video is general health education, not personal medical advice. Dehydration is a gradual process where your body loses water through sweat, breathing, and waste. Mild dehydration can cause dry mouth or fatigue, while severe cases may lead to dizziness or dark urine. MedlinePlus. It's not an all-or-nothing condition. Even slight water loss affects how you feel, making it important to recognize the signs early. Your body balances water intake and output through kidneys filtering excess liquid as urine and sweat cooling you down. Thirst kicks in when dehydration starts. It's your brain signaling, drink up. Skin also adjusts sweat to conserve water. This system keeps fluid stable but often works quietly before issues arise. Dehydration often starts with subtle signs your body sends before you feel thirsty. Dry mouth is one of the first. Your saliva thickens when fluid levels drop, making it harder to swallow or speak. Fatigue can also creep in as your blood volume decreases, reducing oxygen delivery to muscles and organs. Another clue? Darker urine, a sign your kidneys are conserving water by concentrating waste. These aren't alarming symptoms, but gentle reminders to hydrate before dehydration worsens. Dehydration doesn't affect everyone equally. Hot weather or intense workouts make you lose fluids faster through sweat, while salty foods can increase thirst. Certain medications, like diuretics, which help your body get rid of excess water, may also speed up dehydration risk. Conditions like diabetes disrupt thirst signals because high blood sugar levels affect the hypothalamus, making it harder to notice when you need fluids. These factors don't cause dehydration on their own, but can push your body toward it more quickly, especially if you're not drinking enough. Hydration doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing game. Small, consistent habits like sipping water regularly instead of waiting for thirst can keep your body balanced. Thirst is a late signal. By then, your kidneys are already working harder to conserve fluids. Instead, try setting reminders or pairing water with daily routines, like after meals or before bedtime. This approach supports your body's natural fluid regulation without relying on quick fixes. It's about steady habits, not perfection. You've likely heard you need 8 glasses of water daily, but this is a general guideline, not a strict rule. Your hydration needs vary based on activity, climate, diet, and even medications like diuretics, which increase urine output. Listen to your body's thirst signals and adjust accordingly. If unsure, consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Dehydration is usually mild and managed by drinking water when you feel thirsty. But in some cases like chronic illness, intense exercise, or certain medications, it can become more serious. If you experience symptoms like extreme thirst, dark urine, dizziness, confusion, or very dry skin that doesn't improve with fluids, it's important to talk to a healthcare provider. They'll ask about your medical history, medications, and symptoms to assess if further evaluation is needed. This helps rule out underlying conditions while ensuring you stay properly hydrated. Dehydration isn't one-size-fits-all. While thirst is a key signal, some people like those on diuretics or with chronic illness may not feel it as strongly. That's why tracking urine color, pale yellow, is ideal, and noting other symptoms like fatigue or dry mouth can help you and your doctor assess hydration needs. But remember, individual factors like activity level, climate, and medications vary widely. Always share specifics about your symptoms, medicines, and health history during appointments to get personalized advice, whether in person or via telehealth. Your body doesn't just rely on water bottles to stay hydrated. It's a team effort with your diet, exercise, mental health, and even the environment. For example, salty or sugary foods can trick your body into needing more fluids, while stress or hot weather makes you lose water faster without realizing it. Over-the-counter medicines, like pain relievers or decongestants, may also affect hydration by altering how your kidneys work. H3. Tracking urine color, aim for pale yellow, and paying attention to subtle signs like fatigue or dry mouth helps your doctor assess if your lifestyle is supporting your hydration needs. H1. Small tweaks, like adding water-rich foods like cucumbers or fruits, or taking short breaks in cooler spaces, can make a big difference without overcomplicating things. For mild dehydration like dry mouth or fatigue, over-the-counter electrolyte drinks can help restore lost fluids. These are regulated for safety in the U.S., but always check the label for ingredients like sugar or sodium. especially if you have health conditions. H3. Electrolytes, like sodium and potassium, help your body absorb water faster. When in doubt, ask a pharmacist or doctor. They can guide you to the safest options for your needs. Imagine you're at a soccer game on a hot day. Your body is losing water faster than it can keep up. You might not even feel thirsty yet, but your skin could be slightly cooler to the touch, or you might notice your mouth feels dry. These are subtle signs your body is telling you it needs more fluids. If you're sick with diarrhea or vomiting, your body loses water and electrolytes quickly, making you feel tired or lightheaded. Even over-the-counter medicines like pain relievers can affect how your kidneys handle fluids. H3. Small changes, like taking short breaks in the shade or drinking water-rich foods like cucumbers, can help without complicating things. Your body sends unique signals when it's low on water. Maybe you feel tired or notice your mouth is dry. Small tweaks, like snacking on hydrating foods, think cucumbers or watermelon, or taking short breaks in the shade during exercise, can help without disrupting your routine. If you have health conditions, though, check with your doctor to adjust your plan safely. Dehydration isn't just about thirst. It can also hint at how your body handles fluids over time, like kidney function. For example, if you notice fatigue or dry mouth more often after taking certain medicines, H3, it might signal your kidneys are working harder to balance fluids. This doesn't mean you're sick, but it's worth noting if you see patterns. Always check with your doctor if something feels off, like tracking symptoms in a journal. H1. Small habits, like sipping water-rich foods or pacing yourself on hot days, can support your body without overcomplicating things. Your body communicates dehydration through subtle signs like fatigue or a dry mouth. These signals can vary from person to person, so paying attention helps you stay ahead. Small changes, like sipping water-rich foods or taking breaks in the shade, make hydration easier without overcomplicating it. If you notice patterns, such as fatigue after certain medicines, H3, track them and discuss with your doctor during appointments. H1. Always prioritize open communication with healthcare providers for personalized advice. Remember, this is general health education, not personal medical advice. For individuals